The Union Budget 2023 and 24 of India, presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, focused on a range of priorities including infrastructure development, agricultural growth, education, healthcare and digital economy among others. Let's see the key highlights and allocations in detail. First one is economic growth and fiscal discipline. The budget projected India's GDP growth at 6 to 6.5% for the fiscal year 2023 and 24. The fiscal deficit target was set at 5.9% of GDP, down from 6.4% in the previous year. A significant boost in capital expenditure to 10 lakh crore rupees, that is 10 trillion rupees, which is about 3.3% of GDP, aimed at infrastructure development. Second one is infrastructure development. Continued focus on the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan with an allocation of 1 lakh crore rupees to catalyze multimodal connectivity. Rupees 2.7 lakh crore is allocated for the expansion of highways and rural roads under the Bharatmala and PM Gram Sadak Yojana. Record allocation of 2.4 lakh crores for the Indian Railways to upgrade infrastructure, introduce new trains and modernize railway stations. Third one is agriculture and rural development. Rupees 1.5 lakh crore to strengthen the agriculture infrastructure fund aimed at farm gate infrastructure and agri-logistics. 6,000 crore rupees allocated to promote digital public infrastructure for agriculture, focusing on farmers' access to digital services. Continued provision of subsidies to the tune of 1.75 lakh crore for fertilizers to ensure availability at affordable rates. Fourth one is health and education. Total outlay for healthcare was set at 89,155 crore rupees with a special focus on enhancing primary healthcare infrastructure through PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. Plans to establish 157 new nursing colleges in co-location with the existing 157 medical colleges established since 2014. Rupees 1.12 lakh crore allocated for the education sector with an emphasis on digital learning and teacher training programs. Setting up of 740 new Ekalavya model residential schools in tribal areas with an allocation of 38,800 crore rupees over 5 years. Fifth one is digital economy and startups. Rupees 12,000 crore allocated for the expansion of BharatNet project to provide broadband in rural and remote areas. Extension of the tax holiday for startups by another year to support new businesses and entrepreneurial ventures. 1,500 crore rupees earmarked to further promote digital payments, focusing on enhancing financial inclusion. Sixth one is social welfare and employment. Rupees 60,000 crore allocated for the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme. 3,000 crore rupees allocated for various schemes under the Ministry of Women and Child Development, including Poshan 2.0 and Mission Shakti. Introduction of new skilling programs with an allocation of 3,000 crore to enhance employability among the youth. Seventh one is climate action and sustainable development. Rupees 19,700 crore allocated to launch the National Green Hydrogen Mission, aiming to make India a global hub for green hydrogen production. Additional allocation of Rupees 10,000 crore for the Renewable Energy Development Agency to foster the growth of solar, wind and bioenergy sectors. Extension of customs duty exemptions for capital goods used in the manufacture of electric vehicle batteries and parts. Eighth one is financial sector reforms. Recapitalization of public sector banks with 20,000 crore rupees to strengthen their financial health. Proposal to increase foreign direct investment limits in the insurance sector from 49% to 74%. Target of 65,000 crore rupees from disinvestment of public sector enterprises to be achieved in the fiscal year. Ninth one is direct and indirect taxes. Introduction of a new tax regime with revised slabs and reduced rates to simplify the tax structure. No changes in corporate tax rates but various compliance requirements easy to support businesses. Continued rationalization of GST rates and expansion of the GST base to increase revenue collection. To conclude, the Union Budget 2023 and 24 aims to balance growth with fiscal prudence, focusing on infrastructure, health, education, agriculture, digital economy and climate action. It reflects the government's commitment to building a resilient economy, fostering inclusive development, and enhancing India's global standing.